Hey guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install ExpressVPN on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Go ahead and open up your browser guys, and you simply want to type in ExpressVPN, right? So once you go ahead and type in ExpressVPN, download our ExpressVPN, it will take you over to Google where you can find the website. And as you can see here, it says they also offer 30-day money back guarantee. But go ahead and click on that. You can either go to expressvpn.com or search for it in Google. Click on the website, and you will see once it takes you over to the ExpressVPN website that you can easily download. So here it says download now. So click on download, right? You also, if you scroll down, you have the different devices that you can choose from. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose, for example, for Windows. So if you scroll down a bit, it basically shows you the 3 steps that you need to follow. Here it says sign up for ExpressVPN on your Windows, and here it says download ExpressVPN app for Windows. Now, if you don't have an account, you want to go ahead and basically sign up, get a subscription, or if you already have it, just simply choose download ExpressVPN app for Windows. And once you do that, it'll take you over here, and you can go ahead and you can simply click and download the download button there, and as you can see, it's currently downloaded. So once this is finished downloading guys, you'll be able to find this in your downloads folder, or you'll have a pop-up. You can click on that and you can basically install the ExpressVPN on your PC. So I'm gonna wait for it to appear, accept the administrative privilege there, and as you can see, it's currently installing on my PC right now. So let's allow it a moment to install. Now here you can see that it's finished, and it says that it requires a system reboot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close it for now, but in your case you want to go ahead and restart your PC to be able to complete this whole process, right? And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.